Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn two things, namely external events and partitions in the UML activity diagram. In some situation, something that happens outside the system may affect the behavior of an activity. In UML activity diagrams, this is called an external event, which should be captured by the activity. Partition is a notation to group actions based on their common characteristics. I am Tedu Digahayu, at the undergraduate program in Informatics, Universitas Islam Indonesia. How to design the behavior aspect of software. The execution of an activity can be initiated or influenced by events outside the activity. These events are called external events. The activity needs to be able to capture those events. For this reason, the UML activity diagram provides two special types of actions, namely, accept signal action and wait time action. A signal is any notification from outside the activity. In the real world, signals can be in the form of letters, telephone calls, short messages, notifications, emails, and so on. During execution, an accept signal action waits for the occurrence of signals. When a signal is captured, the execution of this action completes. The accept signal action is depicted as a rectangle with an angled notch on the left side. In this example, we have two actions. Order cancelled is an accept signal action, which acts as a source action for cancel order handling as the target action. During execution, the action of order cancelled will wait until there is a signal that cancels the order. If this action receives a signal that indicates a cancellation of order, then the execution of this action completes. Then the action of cancel order handling can be executed. The wait time action is a special action to wait until a certain time, or for a certain duration of time. Wait time action is depicted as an hourglass. In this example, there are two actions. A wait time action that is followed by the action of write weekly report, as the target action. Wait time action is given a label, indicating that the execution must wait until Friday. On Friday, this action completes. The action of write weekly report can be executed. A wait time action can also be used to wait for a certain duration of time. In the example here, the wait time action waits for 2 days. After waiting for 2 days, the action completes, and the action of report delay can be executed. The next concept is partition. Partitions are used for grouping actions that have some characteristics in common. Usually, partitions are used to identify actors that execute the actions. Partitions do not affect the execution flows. A partition is depicted as a box, with its name on the starting end. Partitions can be drawn in vertical or horizontal. In this example, we have an activity with three actions, namely, send order, pay order, and receive order. These three actions are performed or executed by the same actor, namely the customer. Therefore, these three actions can be placed in the same partition, whose name is customer. In the example, the partition is drawn in vertical, with its name at the top. Partitions can be used to model the assignment of actions in an activity to a number of different actors. For example, here we have an activity with several actions performed by two actors, namely, sales department and finance department. Actions are assigned to the relevant actors. Each actor is modeled as a partition. The actions of receive orders, send orders, and close orders are assigned to the sales department. Therefore, these actions are placed in the partition of sales department. Meanwhile, the actions of send invoice and receive payment are assigned to the finance department. These actions are placed in the partition of finance department. This was the explanation about external events and partitions in the UML activity diagram. External events can be captured using accept signal action or wait time action. Partitions are used to group actions. Usually, actions are grouped based on the actors who executed them. Thank you.